Hi viewers, welcome to Option Trading Ki Duniya. In this episode, let me focus on the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for 28 March 2022. First, let me tell my viewers that this content is for educational purpose only. If you are using the content for trading, then take the help of investment professionals. So now let me come to the open interest tracker. So you can see the highest open interest build up is at 17,500. So maximum call build up is at 17,500 and lower set maximum put build up is on 17,000. So market will be in a range from 17,000 to 17,500 in this week's expiry. You can also see the build up in calls at all levels. So 17,200 call also is very active. Then 17,300 also is active. So slowly these are going to be the resistances. First resistance is at 17,200. If that one is taken off, then 17,300 and 17,500 is a major pain or major resistance. So on the lower side, put, you can see some put build up. If you concentrate on put, some put build up at 17,200, but major pain or major put build up is around 17,000. 17,000 will be the strong support. If that breaks, then market can fall drastically. So let me come to the change in open interest. Yeah, what happened to change in open interest? Let me come to it. Yeah, so this is the change. So we can see 17,100 call, 17,100 call writing has increased. Call writing has increased, which means that 17,100 is going to be the major resistance. And then again there is increase in call open interest at 17,200. So these are the levels will be major resistances. Then hardly we have any change in puts. Puts are just like that. So only call side there is increase in open interest. Okay. So now let me come to the put call ratio. Yeah, so you can see the put call ratio. So slowly put to call ratio is decreasing. Yeah, so ratio now currently put call ratio PCR. So put call ratio, let me write it here. Okay, so put call ratio is 0.77. Yeah, so which means calls are more than the puts. So call rating is more. So market is going to have a strong resistance. Now let me come to the Nifty levels. Okay, first let me come to the Nifty level. Okay, what is happening to Nifty? Nifty is way below the pivot. Yeah, CPR, central pivot. So way below. Central pivot is around 17,181. So Nifty is way below. It is trading below the important support. So important support is 17,073. Yeah, so next major support will be around 16,968. So unless if it is trading above the pivot is around 17,181, it is going to be a negative trade today, and it's exactly at that particular important support. So if it is trading higher, there is a chance that it can touch 17,181, but the chances are less. Okay, next important support is around 16,968, and if it crosses above 17,181, next resistance is at 286, 17,286. As long as if it is trading below 17,070 or 71, there is a chance that it can trade way below. Okay, way below, and it can touch up to even You can see that level 16,756. If it breaks 16,968, chance of going down is more. Even in the Nifty open interest data also it is suggesting the same. So let me come to the Nifty Bank. So it's very important. Nifty Bank is also like Nifty way below the central pivot range. Central pivot range is around 35,484. Okay, now the strong support was around 35,000 to 59. That is broken already. So next support is around 34,982. Okay, so that is a major support. Yeah, and if it there is a chance of market moving higher only if it is trading above the pivot. Yeah, trading above the pivot. Pivot is around 35,460 to 480 levels. So market will have strong resistance at pivot level 35,460. If it takes out, then 35,761 will be the next level. Chances are less because it's already trading below the important support. So Bank Nifty you can short for lower targets. Okay, you can short for a lower target. You can get target as good as 34,480. So there is a chance in the longer period of time. So this is the analysis of Nifty Bank. So anybody trading today, you should wait. If you are on the long side, you should wait for the pivot. Wait for the candle to cross the pivot and let it make a high than the pivot. So thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please like, comment, share, subscribe. So have a nice trading week ahead. And Russian war news is over flooding. So anytime there can be falls, rises based on that. But market texture is very weak based on the open interest as well as on the chart. So it is always sell on rise strategy you must follow. So thank you. Yeah, have a nice trading day.